International Action Research Competition ARC2022 presented by T.S. Abdul Ghani bin Rashid Elias Mohammed, Department of Civil Engineering, Politeknik Kuching, Sarawak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. This research related to research on the capability of free energy water pump, FreAi, as a model for river water supply in rural area in Sarawak. There are 6 topics that will be presented. 1. Introduction. 2. Problem statement. 3. Objective. 4. Methodology. 5. Result and discussion. And the last one is conclusion. Without a good source of water supply, life is seen to be disrupted and affected. Development of rural communities separate from the facilities provided. With insufficient water supply constrained and often disrupted, it limits the local community to get water supply for domestic activities, agriculture, and production of agriculture products such as black pepper, vegetables, and other downstream products. With creative idea created by innovative individual, a product called Free Energy Water Pump, FreAi, was developed. This eco-friendly innovation product using hydraulic pressure to transfer water from river into tank provided by resident is needed. The system is very helpful if it can be applied to the surrounding community. Water supply interruption can be caused by insufficient raw water factors, main pipes and communication pipe not being maintained, and others. The most of such problem if the pipe system cannot manage the amount of water that will be supplied to the resident. This unstable and continuous water supply has a bad effect on survival. This problem can be solved with an additional system that uses river water as an additional source. Thus, this study was conducted to identify water supply problem and determine the capability of the free energy water pump system as a model of supplying water to the residents of Kampung Sungai Apin located in Simunjan district of Sarawak. Objective of the research. This study generally aimed to solve the problem of water disturbance faced by the communities in Kampung Sungai Apin, Simunjan, Sarawak. Specifically, this study are A. Identifying water supply problem that occur among the residents of Kampung Sungai Apin, Simunjan. B. To evaluate the design of a model known as a free energy water pump, FreAi. C. To identify the effectiveness of FreAi to supply water to the local communities. Methodology of research. This research is divided into 2 phases, which are data collection and product development. The collection of information is carried out through a literature review through the result of a field survey. Product development is concerned with creating new products or improving existing products for target groups before bringing to commercialization. There are 3 sections in this questionnaire, which are Section A, Respondent Demographic, Section B, Water Supply Problem, and Section C, Product Design and Effectiveness. This study is descriptive by using the survey method of water supply problems. In order to produce a good and potentially commercialized product, knowledge of technology is required because researchers need to understand how their product works, which involve design factors and system effectiveness. Designers can use visual elements such as sketches to get an initial understanding. Product design needs to go through a process of analysis, design, development, implementation, and final evaluation before the product is commercialized. An understanding of the concept of water pressure system and an analysis of the system operational capabilities should be understood. Actual product models are developed and system operations are identified. The calculation of the flow rate, pressure, and other elements is carried out carefully so that the flow of water supply meet the desired characteristic. Finally, a complete system was successfully produced and an assessment of the design and effectiveness aspect of the operation was carried out. The results are shown in the finding and result section. Result and discussion. First, water supply problem. Most respondents agreed that the low pressure factor contributes to the supply disruption. It is also caused by a poorly maintained plumbing system. Inadequate water supply sources are also the cause of this problem. Therefore, a cheap, economical, and affordable system is developed. This system is FreAi. Second, design and effectiveness of FreAi. In general, the FreAi system is more economical, less maintained, and affordable. The FreAi system can be used by residents living in areas near the river. FreAi has the potential to be an additional system because it saves energy, saves costs, and its water rate depend on the preserved natural resources. In conclusion, FreAi has successfully solved the water problem that is very important for life. The demand for water supply can be resolved. FreAi become an additional system that can be had by those who need it. The system is an addition to the existing system and increases the operational efficiency of the water supply. A continuous supply of water benefits the local socio-economy and a better and more organized life. The FreAi system finally succeeded in solving the problem of water supply to the residents needed. Life of communities are improved with ideas from the local communities. FreAi bringing a new light in life of the multiracial community in Sarawak. This is FreAi products. Thank you. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera.